Yo guys, welcome back to another video with Blim Reviews. So by now I'm sure you guys have already got your Redmi K20 or maybe your Mi 9T. So I've got my K20 here, and what you guys might be looking for right now is a case. So I've got a couple of casings here. This case came in a box and it was rather nice. It's very slim and it gives this a very nice matte texture. But after using it for almost a week now, I think that the printing on the back here is about to come off. So I was just browsing online and checking out what cases Xiaomi had for the K20 or Mi 9T in your case, and this is what I managed to get my hands on. So in this video I'm just going to be showing you guys a couple of casings that you can consider for your K20 or Mi 9T. So right here I have two matte casings. It is a plastic matte casing, and over here I have three different colors of silicone casings. And yeah, let's unbox this and check it out so we can see how it looks like on the K20 or Mi 9T. So first up, let's check out the yellow matte case on the K20. As you know, the dragon here is like the mascot for the Redmi K series. Let me just try to get that in focus. So you have this Redmi logo here. Let me just bring it up here for you guys to see. And there is the camera is actually pretty flush with the case, so it sits within the case and it's not protruding out, so that should give you a little bit of protection. Otherwise, this looks pretty good. What do you guys think of this yellow case? It feels pretty good in hand as well. It kind of feels like very similar to this one, the black one that came in the box, but the black one is definitely more slippery, whereas the yellow one here gives you a bit more grip. Overall, this is the look from the front. And this is the look from the back, at the bottom and at the top. We have all your any ports that you need here all exposed, they are not covered up. And of course you have the pop-up camera, so you can't really cover that up as well. Alright, so now that we're done with the yellow case, let me just put it here for 1 minute and let's try out the red casing. When you put it in, just snap it on and wow, this looks pretty good. So okay, this might be my next new case for now. As you can see from the front, it looks great as well, very sporty. It kind of matches my Mi band here. And yeah, I kind of like the look on this one. What do you guys think? Sorry that my camera keeps getting out of focus. Alright, we're back in focus right now. So this is how it looks like in red. So alright, let me just put this here now, and we're going to take a look at the silicone casings. The first one we're going to check out is the red silicone case. So right off the bat, you will see that you notice that it is a bit more thicker than the plastic case, of course, and it should add a little bit of bulk. Like when you put it just side by side, you could already see that the silicone case is a bit like thicker. So let's just try and fit that in. Let me remove this and pop it in. Oh wow, okay, so it fits very easily. It is a bit loose, I would say. Let me see if I can remove it. Yeah, so it feels very easy to be removed. Like it's a bit loose on the sides. It's not really like hugging your device very tightly, but otherwise it really gives you a nice feel in your hand as well. The silicone feels great. It gives you definitely more grip than the matte covers right here. And to be honest, if you look from the front as well, it looks really good. So the buttons on the sides here feel a bit mushy. It's not really, I can show you guys the cutout. It's just a very minimal cutout from the buttons, as you can see here. So it doesn't really give you like a very satisfying click, unlike the ones on the matte casing. So button pressing wise, the matte casing feels better, but overall I would say this case might just give you extra protection compared to the matte ones. Okay, so we're done with the red. Let's check out the black one. Right, let's unbox this black casing right here. Whew, this looks pretty good. But I already see like some marks on the casing here. Alright, who cares anyways. Let's just get this out and swap this in. Okay, so this is like the most, how should I put it? The most, the most low profile kind of casing. And no, don't get me wrong, it looks pretty good as well. It's like very slick in black, just very stealth looking. I kind of like it too. The phone looks good from the casing. I mean, if you just need a case that is not too flashy like all these colorful ones right here, then this might be the case for you. But I don't know what's wrong with this quality control. You see, look at that, there is this marking at the top. Alright, moving on, let's go on to the last case. The last case is a dark blue kind of case. It looks kind of good. Let me just peel this off real quick and pop that in. Alright, so this is how it looks like. I think blue looks pretty good as well. Okay, now I'm really confused, like which should I use, because each of these cases look really good. But of course, once again, the buttons are not very nice to press, but I think the blue kind of matches with the wallpaper as well. Like my wallpaper here is like reddish blue and black, which is like perfect for all the colors I have here. So these are all the colors. Let me just put it side by side for you guys to see. So you have your red. It looks a bit orange in the pictures right here, but it is actually red, and the black and the blue. Alright, here we have the matte casing. So altogether, this is how it looks like. Woo! It actually looks like a pretty nice picture here. So it looks like this is going to be the thumbnail of this video. But yeah, this is all the casings that you can have for the Redmi K20 or Mi 9T. And these are all official casings from Xiaomi itself, or Redmi or whatever. And they all cost about 39 yuan, which is like really cheap, less than 10 US dollars. And yeah, this is it guys. Let me know which you guys prefer the most, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!